Pigeon
Sneeze on girl.
by Mo Willems and
You.
Oh, hello. So nice to see you. Funny story. I was just thinking, can I...
Sneeze on girl.
Sorry if my voice changes. Just that I have this little frog in my throat. Now, where was I? Oh yeah. Aw, come on. You know who would let me?
Charmander.
No, I promise I'll play
Electro.
Pigeon's Honor. Ooh, how about this? I'll give you a truck full of...
Jello.
Come on, please. Do you have any idea how many pigeons have already done this?
10.
Now I may be rounding up a little. I'll give you this piece of priceless art. What is going on around here? Why won't you let me?
Sneeze on girl.
I have needs. Picture needs. It's not like I'm asking you to sit in a room filled with
Stinky feet.
P.U. Hello. I just want to...
Sneeze on girl.
Rats. I knew it would never work with someone in charge like...
You.
That's it. I'm getting a throat lozenge. Nah.